Hey friends, if you wish to hide Windows taskbar on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, the procedure has changed a little for Windows 11, and here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select taskbar settings. Now, you have to scroll down and click on taskbar behaviors. The first option is automatically hide the taskbar. So if you click on it, the task bar is hidden, but if you scroll down, okay, the taskbar will appear and you can right click and select taskbar settings, and then you can go to taskbar behaviors, and you see whenever you open an application it will automatically hide the taskbar as it has done right now, but if you uncheck it the taskbar will be back. So this is how you can handle the taskbar. Okay, this is the right method as of present, and if you don't see this option, then here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.